Okay, good afternoon folks. This is my older pressure washer here, and I want to replace the gun and hose on that thing. Well, YAMATIC sent me one to try out, to test, to prove, to do a review on it. That's it right there. So we're going to take that and install it on this pressure washer, and if the water's thawed out in the hose, I may wash that snow and ice off my truck with it. Let's see. Y'all stand by. Okay, as y'all can see, kit comes with 5 spray nozzles. It came with 2 fittings. I didn't need the smaller one, I needed the large one. They even gave you some Teflon tape, and that's to help keep that thing from leaking. Need a little bit of Teflon tape right here, a little bit of Teflon tape right here, and I put Teflon tape on this end here where it connects, because that's a quick disconnect, don't have to worry about that. So slip that up on there. We should be ready to go. So let me get some water hooked up this thing, and we'll see what it'll do. All right, we are hooked up, set up to go. Let's see what we get here. Something other than the cat, I think. Appropriate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's turn that nozzle a little bit. Hey, I like it. Let me see. You might be able to tell the line right there where she's kind of black from here down, but up here, nice and clean. I don't have any soap in that pressure washer either. That's just me getting her done from right there. And I couldn't ask any more from this. YAMATIC's a good product, y'all. They put out a good water hose. They put out a good pressure washer hose. And this whole gun assembly thing is awesome. Again, it's a YAMATIC. You got something to hold on to. It's not leaking anywhere. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my truck. I just wanted to show this to y'all. YAMATIC pressure washer whole gun replacement system here on my Ryobi electric pressure washer. It's working well for me. Works well for me. I know it'll work well for you. Hey, y'all give it a look, give it a go. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.